Welcome to Miss Nguyen's cooking show. I'm Chef Noel, presenting Chef Alea.
Hello.
And Chef Peyton.
Yay.
And Chef Mila.
Wait, is this the right floor?
And last but not least, Chef Cooper. Today we will be making tie-dye sugar cookies.
For your materials, you will need plates, toothpicks, cookie cutters, royal icing, and sugar cookie mix, and butter, eggs, and flour, spatulas, roller, and parchment paper. Yeah, and a tray, and a bowl, and whisk the dough for our sugar cookies. First, we will be needing to use pour flour. You will pour in the cookie mix. You want to do cookie mix? And then next you will need to do melted butter. And Cooper, do you want to do
Finally,
the egg?
we'll do the egg.
And now we stir. Okay, next step is to get your cookie dough and put it on parchment paper and roll it around.
The rolling pin. Yeah. Oh yeah, the rolling pin. Yeah.
The rolling pin. So we hold the parchment paper down.
Roll it and cut it into different shapes.
So as you've rolled it out, now you're gonna grab your cookie cutter and make different shapes. Hands are warm. Shapes.
So next you're going to put the cookies into the tray and put them in the oven for 7 to 9 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh, I got it. Oh.
Now we're going to put this in our oven.
With an adult's help, take the cookies out of the oven.
Next, after you're done taking them out of the oven, you let them cool for 2 minutes.
Okay, so next you get your raw icing and you draw a target shape using different colors.
Next, grab your toothpick and draw a line from the center to the edge. Next, when you're done using your toothpick, then, well, it's time for the fun part. Just relax and eat it.
Bon appetit!
Yeah, bon appetit.